Hello, guys. It's your girl, La-Toyia with LT Student Credit Solutions, and I'm so glad you're here. And today, guys, I've had an outpour of Toya. I want to learn how to repair my credit myself. I think I can do it. I have some time at the house. I'm tired of paying. And look, yeah, I kind of did it to myself because you know what? I put up a video and I was very transparent. I did a live on Facebook, said, when you get your taxes, you're going to have everybody in your inbox, hey, let me fix your credit. And it's $1,200 to $1,500. And I said, don't pay for that. You know, if you're looking honestly and truly to get your credit repaired, contact me. You know, I'll take a look at it. We'll look over your credit report and we will give you an accurate assessment of what needs to be done. Okay, don't go and try to spend a couple of thousands of dollars to fix your credit. So this video is for you if you're looking to do it for yourself, right? Because guys, really and truly, it's not hard to do, but it is a strategic process, right? You have to understand the laws. Once you understand the laws, now you know how to implement them and apply it to your credit report. When you are able to do it on a personal level where you're handwriting letters, you'll get so much faster results. And that's really and truly. Why am I telling this? Look, I was blessed. I have been blessed enough to have a lot of clients, and the clients will bring me more clients, right? And on this particular case, look, I have a free Facebook group, guys, that you come in, and it's really geared to people that's looking to get into homes. But it's gonna help whoever's looking to build the credit, because you need to build your credit to get in homes, right? So either way, we're going to create a community of people that's wanting to upgrade, to level themselves up. So whether you're wanting me to do it or you want to do it, I'm saying thank you for wanting to level yourself up. Because guys, it's not easy to say, you know what, I'm not where I need to be, and I gotta pull up my big girl panties or my big man underwear and let's get to it, right? You just gotta do it. You gotta make the attempt. You gotta first put in your mind that to better yourself, you have to do it. Okay, but anyways, let's get started. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about how to clear up your credit, the fastest, easiest way. Okay, now, first of all, you have to have access to your 3 credit bureau credit reports, and that's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. You're not going to know what to dispute or challenge if you don't know what they have reporting, right? So my favorite platform is Identity IQ. No, I'm not getting paid to say this. This is what I use for myself, my family, and my clients. I love it. Okay, it has all the 3 bureaus in one platform, shows you your name, your address, your credit scores, all of the discrepancies that you might have, right? Has your inquiries, everything there, okay? So basically what we're gonna do is go through each and every item that needs to be disputed. That's misspelled words, names, that's many addresses, that's many employers. These are the first steps that we're going to take, because lenders want to see that you are creditworthy, that you're stable, right? If you are in a home of many years, you look stable. But if you're jumping around from different addresses, you don't look stable. If you have many names, it looks fraudulent. It looks a little, you know, you have different employers. What are you looking like? You're looking like a fly-by-night. You can't hold a job. Why am I going to do business with you? How am I going to get paid? So those are the first things. And guys, believe it or not, once you take care of those things, your credit scores go up. Just, you want a quick boost? That's it. Now, can you call? That's the fastest way. Yes, you can call. Can you put it in a letter? Yes. You can get it done, right? It all depends on your time and what you can do at that time. Now we're going through the addresses, the names, the employees. We've done that. We got to get them removed, right? That's the first step. Next step is the inquiries. There are a lot of companies that will tell you inquiries are not important. Well, this company is not going to tell you that, because the inquiries are very important. And you know, I did it myself. You know, with my great credit score, I had so many inquiries because I apply, right? Because credit is to build more credit. Credit is really not to be used. Credit is to build more credit. So anyway, I had a lot of inquiries, guys. I had over 15. And I applied for a FMBO. And guess what? I got denied. And you know what it said? Too many new accounts, too many inquiries. Inquiries are 10% of your score, guys. I need you guys to understand. It is very important. If you're not shopping around to do anything, then yeah, sit on it. It'll be off. In 2 years, you don't have to get it removed. But if you're trying to go shopping around, whether it's a car, a mortgage, a loan, credit cards, you're gonna need to remove those inquiries. Point blank, period. Period, poo. We're gonna go through the inquiries. Whatever is not attached to an account. Look, for example, if you go and you apply for a Chase card and you get that inquiry, right? It's a hard inquiry. They're gonna pull it. They're gonna ask you for your full social. They're gonna look at your credit report. You now have a ding. You have a hard inquiry posted on your account. But now let's say they approved you. Now you have an account that is now linked to that inquiry. You may not remove that. Hey, I'm not gonna tell you what you can and can't do, but you shouldn't, because Chase can close that account. Okay? So I advocate don't touch anything that's open, linked to an open account. All right, so now we're looking at the collections, the charge-offs, the bankruptcies. You have to understand what these things are, right? You have to understand what these things are. Guys, Google is my best friend. Okay, it's a plethora of information. I'm not going to be able to jam it all in here. Okay, looking for the collections, look for the charge-off, start highlighting it. But if you have a bankruptcy, deleting those addresses and freezing and suppressing those Lexus and Nexus, and we talked about this already with Nexus and Sage Dreams and CoralLogic. All of these are important agencies that you guys got to know. Google it. This is free information. You got to do diligence. You have to do your due diligence. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is free information, right? So yeah, you want to remove all the accounts first before you even try to touch those bankruptcies, right? So you're going to remove all the addresses and you're going to start challenging the accounts that you had inside that bankruptcy. Okay, once you remove those accounts, listen, step by step. Bankruptcy will be another video. All right. When you are disputing information on your credit, what you want to find and look for is inaccuracies. What is inaccuracies, Toya? Look at the date that it's reporting. Look and see if it's inconsistent. So inconsistency is look at all 3 bureaus and see if all the information is reporting correctly the same way on each bureau. These are the things you want to attack. Now that's a gem, okay? You're welcome. All right, so let's see. The best thing I'm gonna tell you guys is do not sit there and count. Oh, my points just went up 5 points. Oh, we just went up 10 points. Oh, we went up 45 points. Don't do that right now, because what you will drive yourself crazy. As you're removing some accounts, your score is going to go down. Why? Because you're going to lose some age, and sometimes it's going to go up because you're going to take off that late payment. Don't go crazy. You're going to go crazy after it's done, and you're going to be like, oh, I did this myself. And you're going to pat yourself on your back, and guess what? People are going to want you to help them do theirs. All right, so don't sit there and study the score at this point, in the beginning and in the middle. Right at the end, when you know that you have successfully removed these delinquencies and the late payments and the inquiries, and you updated your personal information, and you know that you've done it, now you start looking at your score, okay? And now you're gonna start going into the credit building. So just every time you get a win, celebrate that win. That's it. Don't worry about the score. So you got to be patient and you got to be consistent. You have to stay on them. You have to send letters. So you send one letter, the bureaus have 30 to 45 days now since COVID to get back to you. It's a waiting game. Let me know if this has helped you. If it has, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, because I got more for you. Now that we are going to start giving and providing videos of do-it-yourself, guys, That's what we're going to do. And let me tell you something. I have another link at the bottom that has a whole bunch of ebooks for do-it-yourself. And let me tell you something. These are templates that we have used for success with our clients. And now you can use them. If you're doing the work, you're not going to pay a couple $100s to get these things done. You're doing it yourself. The reason why you're paying is because time is money. When someone's putting in that time for you, you're paying for that. If you're doing it yourself, you really get yourself off the hook a lot. You get better and faster results because you can call the bureaus. Everything that you see on your credit report that you find inaccurate, you can call the bureaus and take care of it. And what they don't take care of, then now you can put it in letters. When you're hiring a company, it straight goes through letters. I hope this helped, and I'll speak to you guys soon.